Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find apps and services. Let's tap. Then let's tap on apps at the top and tap on 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. At the bottom of this list we've got the option we're looking for, so reset up preferences, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.